Here we have question number 5 now. Find the sum of the first 30 terms of the given series. If you look at this series, it says 1 times 1, 2 times 1 plus 2, 3 times 1 plus 2 plus 3, and so on. So basically, the first term is the number of term. If it is the fourth term, I have 4. If the third term, I have 3. If the second term, I have 2. Inside the bracket, I have sum of first n natural numbers. In the third term, I have sum up to 3. Fourth term has sum up to 4. So can I say the nth term is going to be n into 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on and so forth up to n. It is the sum of first n natural numbers into n. Or it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. That is the formula to find out the sum of first n natural numbers. If I multiply them, it gives me n square into n plus 1 divided by 2, or in other words, it is n cube plus n square divided by 2. I have to find the sum of this series up to first 30 terms. That means now I have to put a summation on this series. So if I have to put a summation on this series from 1 to 30, it becomes 1 by 2 will come outside. Inside I will have summation of n cube plus summation of n square, where n is 30, right? N is 30 here. Let's start putting the formula, keeping 1 by 2 outside. The formula for n cube is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. And the formula for summation n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now from both these terms, I can take out n common from the numerator, n plus 1 common from the numerator, 2 common from the denominator. Inside I'll be left with n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And the second time, n has gone out, n plus 1 has gone out. I'm left with 2n plus 1 divided by, out of 6 that 2 has gone out, so I'm left with 3. Put n is equal to 30. I will have 4 in the denominator here. Numerator is 30 into 31. Inside I have 30 into 31 divided by 2 plus 30 into 2, 60. 60 plus 1, 61 divided by 3. So it is 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are 30. So what do I have now? It is 15 into 31 divided by 2, and inside I have 15 into 31. What is 15 into 31? It is 15 3s are 45 and 15 4 65 plus 61 divided by 3. When I take the LCM as 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, 12 plus 1 13 plus 61. This whole divided by 3 into 15 into 31 divided by 2. 3 will cancel it out at 5, right? So I am writing it here now, I don't have space. 5 into 31 is 155 divided by 2 into their sum, that is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 1 carry over, 13 plus 1 is 14, and this also can be cancelled out by 2. 2 sevens are 14, then after that 28. So my final answer is going to be 155 into 728. It is 155 into 728. That is going to be the final answer. Now, to make it slightly easy, I'm just taking out 5 from this. It will be 31 then. I'm taking out 2 from this, 364. Those 5 and 2 will make the 0 at the end, right? Those 5 and 2 will make the 0 at the end. Now, this 1 into 4 is going to give me 4. So, option C and option A are also gone. But I'm still left with 2 options. So, that makes it slightly difficult probably. Let's try to figure it out. 31 fours are 124. 12 is the carryover. 31 6 is 186 plus 12 gives me 8 at the end, right? So after 4 I should be having 8. So therefore this is also gone, and 112840 is the right answer. I would rate this question as a difficult question, especially because of the kind of calculations which are involved in this. So definitely a difficult question.